Make sure your mirrors and everything are adjusted.
Can't see that one. I think we might have to move the camera.
To there, yes.
Okay. Not too far back then. Alright. Where are the keys? Where's the key?
In the door, perhaps?
What's in the door?
Oh, here, look, on the floor.
Should make a TV show on its own, wouldn't it?
Give me the other one.
Done?
Their social care
Can you not feel it vibrating the seat?
Yeah.
Turn that off. Right. Reverse is in a different place. Now we're on a slight hill, so you're going to have to do a hill start. Okay. A bit more clutch control.
Well, what do you think I'm doing?
You're stalling. That's what you're doing.
Oh, that's a tree.
That was their bush.
See that?
We'll go up to.
No, we're going to get anywhere here.
Come on, Nick.
What do you think I'm doing?
Don't panic. Take it easy. You're just slamming it. Just take it easy. Where are you going?
You just go round, didn't you?
Keep getting round. Keep getting round. Round.
So you said go round.
Well, as in straight on, I meant. Oh, right, so this is it. Dead end. So turn around when you can. Just relax, will you?
Well, you said it led out somewhere.
I thought it did. Alright, you might as well turn around here.
Nice.
That's it.
Why's that make that weird noise?
Because you keep your hand on the key too long. You just turn it until it fires and let go. You don't hold it. Piece of metal. Follow the oops. Just do it a bit more gently, Nick. You just.
Well, I've never driven this car before.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Be a bit more gentle.
Want to watch this, bro?
What?
Want to watch this, bro? People laughing at us.
No, Nick. And what would it matter if they were?
Decrease self-morale.
So drive through back shot then.
Good.
We're pointing out on the road a bit.